So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Partnerstack review. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically we're going to teach you here how to do Partnerstack's affiliate marketing. It's pretty simple to do and I'll teach you how to do it step by step in this video. So basically, welcome to today's guide on your kickstart on your affiliate marketing journey using Partnerstack in 2023. So we'll walk you through each step to get your affiliate program up and running successfully. So basically, all you have to do is go up to partnerstack.com and then sign up right there and then use your Partnerstack account. So basically, just go to their website right here and you click on Get Started button and fill out your business information, including your company's name, website, and contact details. So right here, you'll filter by category, such programs. So if you want to do accounting, development, e-commerce, human resources, marketing, productivity, sales, security, social media, and such things like that. So we'll go for sales today. So you have to search a description, maybe a name, offer, description, or whatsoever. So as you can see here, you can also use sales like here. Here's Doula for an example. It helps global Web 2 and Web 3 entrepreneurs from US LLC, C Corps, and DAO LLCs to join their affiliate program. And then you can also choose the product that fits you best and earn up to $1,000 per referral. So as you can see, you can choose here also from which one you want to try on. So it's like its name suggests, Partnerstack. So just trying to find one right here. So you just apply to a network basically. So applying to a network here. Yeah, Partnerstack is about your business. Once you are approved, you have a 75 higher chance of being accepted to programs, better discovery by in-demand programs, and smart suggestions for new partnerships based on your business. So as you can see here, they're also gonna ask you what type of partner are you. You can select one if it's applicable. So basically, like this one right here, you can choose from affiliate marketer. So if you sell products on behalf of other companies, you can check that. A reseller partner or a value-added reseller or other things like that. So here you can also put your business website, your LinkedIn profile, and where you're located, and you can tell them about your business. So probably you want to place your website right here and other things like that. So I'll be right back guys to just set this up while we're gone. So next here you can see that your Partnerstack network profile will be here. So what industry do you focus on basically? So you want to say of artificial intelligence and such things like that, or what type of sales of channels do you use? So do you use blogs, coupons, direct reselling, or probably on-site ad spaces or virtual events? So let's just select one right here, and there you go. So you have to also target your audience. So where are they usually? So let's go with Asia. So what are the type of customers do you work with? You also explain here if you work with the SMB or a mid-market business or enterprise business. So let's just go with SMB right here. And what is your monthly audience size in terms of traffic? So we're just gonna say around 1,000 to 10,000. And what is your preferred commission structure? So it's either a CPL or a CPA or a CPC or upfront payment. So you must know your terms here with revenue shares. So we're just going to go with CPA, cost per action, and apply the network. And there you go. Your Partnerstack network profile application has been sent to their team. And what's next is you'll be notified by email and in-app when the status of your application changes basically. So there you go. So the next things I'm gonna show you is, next is your affiliate program. You have to define your affiliate program. So once you have logged in and access the dashboard, and go to the program management. So basically after that, to go to our rewards and withdrawals right here, and here you can see the things that you have done also with your affiliate program, if how much you have earned, how much available funds do you have yet, and you can set up your withdrawals. So basically from there you can discover more programs so that you will have more chances and such on your website to be promoted using our Partnerstack. So here you can see all the programs. If you head to all programs, you can search them by program, type in attributes or offer or description depending on your type of business. So here you can also use Notion, so you can join their program right here. So as their description says, there's tens of thousands of teams around the world to use it to collaborate and stay informed and get more done together. So here earn up to 50% on the first year for successful and new plus business or Notion AI upgrades. So there's a lot you can choose from here. There's my case. Here, in my case, there's a consultant program, support consultant, accounts and IT professionals who work with law firms to ensure their success with my case, and all in one legal case management solution. So this looks like it's for law. If you have concerns with such things and you want to promote your business with my case, you can do it here. You can join their program and earn up to 10% on the annual contract value when the client signs up on the annual subscription. There's also Kixi here, and there's also Spatial Chat and Get Tida. There's a lot you can choose from right here, like a variety of, depending on your business and whatever you have to choose from. There's literally thousands you can choose from right here. So basically, you can also track your performance, and by doing that, you can monitor your affiliate program's performance in real time. Through the Partnerstack dashboard, keep track of key metrics such as clicks, conversions, and revenue generated by each affiliate. So you can also analyze this data to identify top performing affiliates for areas of improvement. You can find that in your dashboard right here. And I mean, we're just gonna find it right there, and there you go. So here in your activity, you're gonna see it there. You can track your activity across all programs, so you're gonna see every move that you have made and its feedback. So next is communication and support. So basically, you can use the communications feature within Partnerstack to keep in touch with your affiliates, providing ongoing support and answers any question or concerns they may have. So encourage affiliates to reach out if they need assistance or suggestions for improvement, basically. So basically, that's just a quick overview of what Partnerstack is. So there you have it. That's step-by-step guide on starting with affiliate marketing using Partnerstack in 2023. So remember, affiliate marketing success takes time and effort, so be patient, stay committed to building strong relationships with your affiliates, and provide value to your audience. So thanks for watching this video, and best of luck with your affiliate marketing journey. So I'll see you in the next video, guys, and thank you for watching.